Hey everyone, I'm Katie bringing another AFI DIY. Today we'll be whipping up a super fun and customizable product, exfoliating body scrub. This lush product can be used year-round depending on what fragrance you choose. This makes it a super beneficial product to add to your line, so stay tuned to see how you can make it a reality. First, you're going to want to gather your supplies. You'll need a beaker, a pan and hot plate, a hand mixer, tinfoil, mixing bowl and utensil, and a container to store your product. To make a total of 300 grams, you'll need the following ingredients: 7.2% or 21.6 grams of emulsified wax NF, 7.2% or 21.6 grams of cetyl alcohol, 17.7% or 53.4 grams of almond oil or other carrier oil of your choice, 7.2% or 21.6 grams of shea butter, also can be subbed out for another butter, 59.8% or 180 grams of white granulated sugar, 0.6% or 1.8 grams of preservative, 0.3% or 15 drops of fragrance from AFI. Great, let's get started. First, combine your emulsified wax NF, cetyl alcohol, almond oil, and shea butter together. We're using a beaker for this. Now we're going to place it in a water bath. To do this, take a pan and fill it up with water and place the beaker in it and cover the top with a tinfoil. Heat it up until the entire mixture is melted. When it is all melted together, pop it in the fridge until everything is hardened. Transfer it into a bowl, then take a hand mixer and beat it until it is soft and fluffy. This is optional, but for an upgraded product, you can use some mica powder to color. Okay, look how pretty this is. If you like this product, you should check out our DIY on sugar scrub cubes. It possesses the same exfoliating nature except in soap form. Great, now it is time to add your preservative. Add this right into the mixture and mix. After that, you can add your sugar. Mix this in well with the mixer. You can also add more or less sugar depending on your desired amount of exfoliation. Last but not least, it's time for the fragrance. Today I'll be using Patchouli. Now that the weather is getting colder, I wanted to pick a warmer scent to balance it out. Like I said before, this product is super customizable, and here at AFI, there's thousands of fragrances to choose from for any occasion. Add your fragrance of choice. Blend once again to make sure it is well combined. And now you're done. Just transfer it into your packaging of choice and you're good to go. Look how nice these turned out. I love using this product and so will your customers. We spent about $1 to make this and can wholesale for $5 to $6 and retail for $12 to $15. Thanks for watching another episode of AFI's DIYs. If you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with our future videos. I'm Katie and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!